Founded in 1974 by Leon Slickers, S2 Yachts is one of the few privately held production boat building companies in the world. Throughout our storied history of hand-building boats, we have remained based in beautiful Holland, Michigan.
Well, Holland, I think, is a very unique town. Its background is basically a lot of craftsmen. Holland has been known for its uniqueness in far as diversity of people, but also there's some great furniture companies that were here in town. Baker Furniture, Holland Furniture, great furniture companies. They have since moved away, but they were a big factor here in Holland, and so you could find craftsmen on the street very easy.
From the beginning, Leon instilled excellence into our culture. Craftsmanship is paramount. We build and sell only the highest quality boats and take great pride in manufacturing an American-made product.
Well, first, I'm proud to be American, and I think American-made is good. We have the ability to make a lot of our own things that go into the boat. We can do our own wiring. We do our fiberglass, our cabinetry, varnishing. You know, most aspect we build the whole entire boat right here, and I think that's remarkable. I think some of the boat companies are more or less assembly plants, and I think we have the ability to build our own boats.